Was it worth it?
I'm hoping it is, Jimbo. I most surely am.
What the devil? Good heavens. The star pollution. It's gone supernova!
Evasive action, Mr. Turnbuckle!
We need attack by hot shots! Cheesy levels! Give them what for! And get us
No!
Do or die! Mobilize that medical! Let's do it! Let's do this! Teach the beggars our lessons! Enemy sources!
Mr. Arrow! Secure those sails!
Secure all sails!
We're out!
Baby, boom!
Hurry! We're running out of time!
Thanks, lad.
No problem.
Oh, crap.
Watch out!
It's devolving into a black hole!
We're being pulled in!
No, you don't! Gosh, these waves are seducingly erratic!
No, Captain, they're not erratic at all. There'll be one more in precisely 47.2 seconds, followed by the biggest Magella of them all!
Brilliant, Doctor! Revive that last to get her out of here!
All sails secured, Captain!
Good man! Now, release them immediately!
Aye, Captain! You heard her, man!